All right, what's up, you guys? So today we have, I said, some new key fobs, and I'm gonna give you guys a new little rundown on everything. All right, so these are the new key fobs for the Duramax here. Boost Auto Parts key fobs. All right, so I'm gonna do a little tutorial, show you guys how to do these things. This is my first time doing it, so from what I saw on YouTube, everything. Oh man, I know you guys have been wondering, heck, whatever happened to me? Why didn't I do any content? All right, one of the things you want to do is crank it up. This truck has not been cranked in like 2 or 3 weeks now. I barely drive this truck. I know. You guys probably look at me like I'm crazy. All right, but so we're gonna go to do all this stuff. All right, reload. So you wanna go there. Keep pressing that till you get to this. Press to relearn remote key. You're gonna press check mark, and then what you're gonna do is gonna all right, see you guys, watch. Alrighty, then we're gonna cut it off again. So we got 2 keys, right? I got a 2015, 2020 body style key fobs. So gonna recrank it again. Alright, gonna go through all this again. Come on. Alright, relearn remote key. Alright, relearn remote key. Press down on it. Alright. Alrighty. Alright, so this is the 2015 body style key fobs. So watch it. Ooh, bad boy. Alright, that's that. Now 2020. All messed up on that one. Sorry about that. All right.